What's up, YouTube? It's your boy TJ, and I'm back again with another banger, man. Today is about to go down, y'all. Why, you ask? Because today I'm about to get back into my MGK bag, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's been a while since I reacted to MGK. So today we're going to be reacting to MGK Bloody Valentine, okay? Now, right off bat by the thumbnail, I can tell that this is him in his rock bag, all right? So I'm ready, open-minded. Let's check it out, and let's do a good fair ranking. Let's go. Damn, her house blue as fuck. Megan Fox. Oh, that's Megan Fox.
The simulation just went bad, but you're the best I ever had. Like Cam Prince and West Summit, she touched me, it's permanent. In my head, I couldn't hear anything you said, but in my head, I'm calling you girlfriend. What the fuck? I don't do fake love, but I'll take some from you tonight.
Alright, so basically, bro about to miss his flight. Bro, he leaving it all for that moment, nigga. Fuck everything for that moment, nigga. Let's go back and answer questions later, nigga. Right now, it's what it is. You know what I mean? We handle everything else when we get to it. But right now, it's all about you. You feel me? That's what I'm getting from it so far. Yo, this shit crazy. This video is crazy as fuck, man. Hey, ain't my cup of tea, but you know what I mean. I'm hoping this video don't get blocked straight up, to be honest with you. But I'm back in edit. There's pink guitar.
I can't hide how I feel about you inside. I give everything.
I wonder if they really dating, man.
If I could just have you be mine, baby. I can't hide.
There's a little chemistry in that motherfucker. I think Crystal did say they was dating. I think she did. Uh-oh, shit, bro. Bruh. That bitch is not playing. Back here getting fucked up. Yo, this bitch crazy. She crazy as fuck. Look. What the fuck? Yo, bro, can't show man shit like that, bro, and think we can go back to our normal life. Hell nah. Our caution, our motherfucking guard is up for a minute. You know what I mean? Fuck that, dude. This bitch is crazy. Hey, Crystal, I watched my back around Crystal for a minute. Yeah, after watching this, yes, sir. Fuck that. But guys, I don't know how to rank this video. The video was a 10 just by looking at it. You know what I mean? The video was 10. Music wise, I mean, the music was cool. Vibe was a 10 that went with it. The beat, I guess, the beat went with the vibe that went with the song. 10. Bars, dude, it wasn't. I really wasn't catching any bars, but it had a story that went good. You know what I mean? So the story was a 10. I guess the bars, I can't rank a bar because it wasn't a bar. I mean, it could have been a bar. I just missed the bar maybe. We're trying to watch the video and that other shit, but I really didn't catch any bars. So overall, I gotta rank this. If this is what you listen to, I rank it a 10. If this ain't what you listen to, then I can't rank it because this is not what I listen to. You feel me? But straight up. But guys, like I said, this is not what I listen to. And if you want more MGK, then y'all know what the hell is going on because y'all the one who be picking these videos that y'all pick rock, bro. You know damn well we don't listen to rock and roll, but we will if that's what you ask us to. But if you stuck around for the ranking, nigga, then you came to the wrong place. You feel me? Oh, wrong motherfucking wrong song, cause you know damn well that this song didn't have no bars. You feel me? But guys, let's get to this. If y'all want more MGK, make sure that this video get 40 likes. If it get 40 likes, man, I'm going to give you another MGK reaction, but it has to get 40 likes, though. Only way it's going to do that is if you like it, you comment, and you subscribe, and you share on social network. You need. That's all I got for the video, and I'm out this thing. Yeah.